to my channel Alankita Naths. कर रही हो बेटा? शीला आंटी आप यहाँ क्यों मर रही हैं? क्या कर रही हैं? आती क्यों है? हाँ वो ना मैं तुम्हारी मम्मी से मिलने आई थी तो सोचा तुमसे भी मिल लूँ, लेकिन ये तुम क्या कर रही हो बताओ? मैं अपने YouTube चैनल के लिए वीडियो शूट कर रही थी। अच्छा अपने यूट्यूब चैनल के लिए वीडियो शूट कर रही हो? आंटी वो YouTube होता है, आंटी वो YouTube होता है। यूट्यूब यूट्यूब आंटी बोली ट्यूब। हाँ अब दोनों को एक साथ बोलिए, यू और ट्यूब। छोड़ो आपसे नहीं हो पाएगा। हाँ वही यूट्यूब, ठीक है यूट्यूब। इंट्रोडक्शन करवाओ हमारा। हम आए हैं तुम्हारे चैनल में, यूट्यूब चैनल में। यूट्यूब तो बोलना नहीं जानती, यूट्यूब में आएंगे। करवाती हूँ मैं इंट्रोडक्शन। सो गाइज ये है शीला आंटी, पूरा नाम शीला मल्होत्रा। और पूरे फैमिली की इंट्रोडक्शन नहीं चाहिए, बस आपकी इंट्रोडक्शन। तो चलो स्टार्ट करो अपना वीडियो। कितनी देर लगाओगी? टाइम मैनेजमेंट नाम की कोई चीज़ ही नहीं है बच्चों में। मेरा टाइम आके बर्बाद करती है, मुझे बोलती है। हाँ करती रहे वीडियो स्टार्ट। गाइस चलो मेरा बैग कलेक्शन देखते हैं। So guys, today I'm going to show you my bag collection, and I'm a big bag fetish and I love to buy bags and I love to carry different types of bags to different types of places. So let's start. अरे बेटा तुम तो बड़ी अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलती हो, आ जाना हमारे घर, चिंटू को सिखा देना। सिखा दूंगी आंटी, आप अब जाकर थोड़ा मम्मी के साथ गप्पे लड़ाइए, उन्हें भी बोर कीजिए। क्या? मेरा मतलब उन्हें भी मसालेदार खबर सुनाइए। जाइए मैं थोड़ा शूट कर लूँ। जाती हूँ अभी। चली गई। हाँ सो नाउ आई कैन गाइड यू थ्रू माई बैग कलेक्शन. So my first bag is this purse that have a chain like this and it opens like, I love it. This is my favorite purse. This is my favorite purse and बट देर इज़ वन प्रॉब्लम कि इसमें अंदर चेन फंसता रहता है। लेकिन मैं इसमें ज़्यादातर क्या करती हूँ जब इसमें चेन फंसता रहता है, या तो मैं इसको ऐसे पहनती हूँ और आई पुट दिस चेन इनसाइड द पर्स एंड लॉक इट एंड इट लुक्स सो ब्यूटीफुल, राइट? ओके सो this is the first one. Let's go the second one. Come here, the second one. And this is an 3D picture purse. See, ये लड़की की आंखें बंद होती है, खुली रहती है, ये बंद होती है, खुली रहती है। कैमरा में अच्छे से दिख नहीं रहा बट बंद होती है, खुली रहती है, right? And this is also an hanging bag. I love these type of hanging bags. As I told you that I am a bag fetish. So this is a red one and this was gifted by my one aunt and she gifted me in my birthday. So I love it. So now let's go to our next bag that is little far. So let me bring it. So this is the next one and this is also a cute purse. Like this have a carrot, right? And it's a softy one. When I get bored I do it like this. And then it's had a rainbow chain here. It's so super cute. And I keep my hanky in sanitizer here. And there's one more chain inside. Right, and it's also in hanging bag, and it says beautiful. Wow. And it's an also super cute bag, hanging bag. So let's move to the next one. Mama. Okay, so the next one is this one. This is Holiday Goa. It says Holiday Goa. Let me ask from where I bought it, because I bought it when I was too small. Okay, so now I asked my mom and she said that my mommy, yeah, that's mommy, bought it from Goa, and it's also written Holiday Goa, and it's a super cute hanging bag. There are more bags like this, that Sunny Day, but I'm not getting it, or I've donated it, I don't remember, but the last one left with me is this. It's super cute, and I hope when I will go Goa for the first time, because I've never went to Goa, I'll take it. So now move to the next one. Okay, so this is the next one. This is also a hanging bag, and it has elephants, and I love the traditional embroidery here, and I bought it recently. I went to Puri, not my vlog Puri one. I don't bought it because I didn't do any shopping at that time, but recently at Republic Day I went to Puri when the mandir were open. In the upcoming vlog you can see that. So this is that bag that I bought from there, and I love it. This is when I will go somewhere I will use it, because I've not used it because I bought only now. What I'm saying rubbish. So this is another bag, and I love it. I love my every bag. Let's move to the next one. And my favorite bag is this. A cute little backpack, and I love it. Love it means I love it. I love this bag. This is a cute little backpack, and when I carry it on my back, it looks super cute, and I look very nice and cute, and I carry it with cute outfits like dungarees and all, and skirts like that. So this says my forever love, a miss, and a forever friendship. That's so cute. And at the first chain I have another cute little bag, and I store my earpods or earphone in there, and there is nothing in there now because I'm not going to anywhere. I'm at this home, I'm doing online classes, so no schools, also no school backpack also. That's so boring. So but I have one thing inside it. That's my pocket diary that I made at home. That's why that's so ugly. I'll make another one and keep it inside. I've written some secrets inside that so I can show you. And it has a cute little unicorn, right? So this is that, and I love it. And it has 2 chains, and I store many things, and I carry it most of the time because it suits with many outfits, right? So that's why. Let's move to the next one. So this is my next bag. This is my dance class bag. Finally, yes, I go to dance class, but not this month because exams are ahead. So this is from Wildcraft. I have not said you that from where I bought it. I bought this bag from Mumbai, and this was also gifted by my mama. And that cute little bag inside that was, I bought it from Mumbai. That was not gifted by anyone. So this is my dance class bag. This is from Wildcraft, sorry. And my Nana bought it for me, gifted me in my birthday now. like this only. He gifted me, and I love this. I carry it at Saturdays when I was used to go school. So because Saturday was a half day. I miss school days. So this is now my dance bag, and it has some stuff inside. Yeah, it has my extra shoes for dance and my socks. That dirty, smelly socks. Now let's move to the next one, and that's... This is a bag, and this is a super special bag because it has a huge story beside it. Right. So this is a cute backpack, and it is from Benetton, and it has some stuff inside. I can show you that. So it is a little bit dirty. I think I will say mom and wash it. So it has a huge story beside it because me and my sister at Bombay, we went to shop some clothes for her birthday, and when her birthday is there, I'm also there, then I will also shop, right? So we went to buy only 2-3 dresses, but the shopkeeper said that if we will shop for 3,000 rupees, we'll get this bag. So we are 2 girls, and obviously we will not get only one bag because we will fight with each other. So that's why we shopped for 6,000 for these 2 bags. Means one is with me, one is with my sister. That sister I have done a video with my sister Astha. Sorry, there's some noise because their construction is on. So कंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं, शायद से मच्छरों के लिए वो दवाई दे रहे हैं, मच्छरों के लिए दवाई दे रहे हैं. And then let's back to the bag. So we shopped for 6,000 and that dresses, and then we got this bag, and yeah, that's cute little bag of pink color with violet color and yellow also. So yeah, this is the bag. Let's move to the next one. So the next one is my school backpack. It's now empty because I don't go to school. I miss my school days. This is my school bag, that's why it's blue, because you know that in school हम बैग इतने गंदे करके आते हैं अगर वो लाइट कलर का होता है. That's why my mom bought this for me. My mom bought or someone else bought? Yeah, my chachu bought it from me, and that's from American Twister, and it has so many chains. And I'll say you a secret. Don't say to anyone. That secret is it has a secret chain here. I keep my secret things here, so don't say anyone. Right? I think you didn't hear that. Whatever, leave that. So this is my school backpack. I miss my school days. So, Rona Dhona side mein. Let's move to the next one. So the next one is this old backpack. This is an old backpack. So this is green and all color, and when I bought it I was not liking that color so much, but when I started using it I loved that color, this color. So it has 2 bunnies here because it's old. I said you, इसकी 2 आँखें हैं, इसकी आँखें नहीं है. And but बाकी सब सलामत है इन सब के, बस इसकी 2 आँखें नहीं है because it's old, and it had some stuff inside. My pitch boards, my crafting papers it has, and I love it. I love my every backpack. So I think we are done. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video then please give it a thumbs up to it, subscribe to my channel, and also click the bell notification. And if you will not click the bell notification then you will not know that when I am online. So please click the bell notification. अरे शीला आंटी, आप ये क्या कर बेटा? अगर तुम बुरा ना मानो, हम तुम्हारा ये वाला बैग ले जाएं, बड़ा खूबसूरत है। खबरदार, अगर आपने मेरे बैग को हाथ भी लगाया तो होगी। क्या करोगे आप? बेटा हम बोलना तो नहीं चाहते थे, लेकिन अगर तुम हमें ये बैग नहीं दोगी तो हम तुम्हारी मम्मी को बता देंगे कि 1 साल पहले जब तुम बस से उतर दी थी तो तुमने अपना मैथ्स का पेपर, क्योंकि उसमें 40 में से 13 आए थे, फेंक दी थी नाले में। इस चुड़ैल को पता चल गया। आंटी आपको बैग चाहिए ना? बैग क्या, ये वाला बैग चाहिए? आप सारे बैग ले जाओ मेरे। मम्मी को कुछ मत बताओ। मम्मी की तो बैग क्यों ले जानी है ना? ले जाओ, मेरे सारे बैग ले जाओ। वैसे फिर भी मैं तुम्हारी मम्मी को बताना चाहती। कहाँ जा रही है? Make sure you subscribe my channel and also click the bell notification.